everyone, my name is Maulana Saputra. In this video, I will explain about Boolean function.
Understanding Boolean function. Introduction to Boolean functional. Boolean functional are a fundamental concept in computer science and digital electronics. They are used to represent logical operation and make decisions based on true, false, or yes, no conditions. Without Boolean functional, modern computing as we know it would not be possible. Importance of Boolean functional. Boolean functional are the foundation of digital electronic and computing. They allow you to create complex circuit and algorithm that can process data and make decisions quickly and accurate. Without Boolean functional, it would be impossible to design and build the sophisticated technology that power our modern world. Boolean operators. Boolean operators are used in programming and logic to evaluate true or false statement. There are their main Boolean operators and, or, and, not. And this operator return true of both statements being evaluated are true. If one or both statements are false, the result will be false. Or this operator return true if one or both of the statements being evaluated are true. If both statements are false, the result will be false. Note: this operator returns the opposite of the statement being evaluated. If the statement is true, the result will be false. If the statement is false, the result will be true. Truth tables. Truth tables is a table used in Boolean algebra to determine the output of a logical expression of very possible combination of inputs. It is a way to represent the logic of a Boolean functional visually and systematically. Each row the table represents a unique combination of inputs, and the columns represent the different variables in the function. The outputs of the functional is then listed in the final columns. Truth tables are an important tool in understanding and analyzing Boolean functional. They allow you to easily determine the output of a functional for any given input and can help us identify patterns and relationship between the input and outputs. Truth table can also be used to simplify complex Boolean expression and identify equivalent expressions. Application of Boolean functional. Boolean functional are widely used in different fields, including computer science, electrical engineer, and mathematics. They are essential in digital circuit design, communication protocols, and programming language. Here are some common applications of Boolean functional. Communication protocols. Boolean functional are used to design communication protocols, which are sets of rules that govern the exchange of data between a device. Example of communication protocol include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Ethernet. Programming language. Boolean functional are used in programming language to make decisions based on true or false value. For example, in Python, the if statement uses a boolean expression to decide whether to execute a block of code. Conclusion. In conclusion, Boolean conclusion are a fundamental concept in computer science and programming. They allow you to make decisions based on logical conditions and create complex logic in code. By understanding the different types of Boolean operators and how they can be combined, we can write more efficient of effective code. It is important to remember to properly test our Boolean function to ensure they are function as intended. With the knowledge, we can continue to build and improve upon our programming skill.